Hello, how are you? Oh, it's Friday. Raise your hand if you're excited for Friday. All right, I know I'm excited for Friday. And guess what? It's almost Thanksgiving. So excited. I'm going to be asking you guys next week your favorite thing to eat on Thanksgiving, so be thinking about it. I will tell you my favorite thing to eat. Well, my two favorite things to eat. I love to eat macaroni and cheese, and I love turkey with some gravy. Okay. I hope you guys are getting hungry for Thanksgiving, and I hope, however, you are celebrating this year, that you guys have a great time with your families. Okay. Let's go ahead and get started today. Our assignment will be a little bit shorter today. I try to do that on Fridays so that you guys don't have as much to do. That way, also, if you need to get caught up on any assignments, you can do that on Friday when you have more time, maybe, or even the weekend, okay? All right, so your checklist today, you're doing one math slide, just one, okay? And then 15 minutes on iReady Math. Reading slides, you have 2 reading slides to do, and 15 minutes on iReady Reading. No grammar slides today to do. And then I would like you to get on Scholastic News, and you're going to complete the questions on your handout, okay? So this week I'm making this a week before, okay? But this week you should have received your Scholastic News in your red folder or even in your book bag. And your Scholastic News, I would like you to get it out and just have it ready. And then you can get on the website and it'll read to you if you would like it to. And then you're going to complete the questions. You do not have to return that to me, but if you would like to, you're more than welcome to, okay? And then again, you're going to get on Google Classroom today and practice those sight words. If you have any questions about what sight words you should be working on, please have your Parents Dojo meet and I will answer it, okay? And then the last thing, you have a choice of getting on ABCA or BookFlix, okay? So let's go ahead and let's get started today. All right, so math talk. This is what we've been working on all week, is putting parts together. So one part plus one part equals a whole, okay? All right, so this is kind of like a test. That's the way it kind of looks, okay? And it says write 2 numbers of fish for each tank, then write the total. Circle the tank that have 10 fish, okay? So if you kind of look, the tank is kind of divided in half. That's the way it should look, okay? All right. Oh, sorry. I'm going to move this over, okay? All right. So like for this one, I'm going to count the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to write the number right there. Should be able to. Gonna have to mess with that and see what's wrong with it, but I will fix it, okay, so that you guys can write the number, okay? And then you're gonna write the number right here, okay? And then you're gonna write the total right here at the bottom, okay? Right here at the end, okay? And you're gonna do that for each of the tanks. So you're gonna make an addition number sentence, okay? And then write the total. And then it says circle the tanks that have 10 fish. So you're gonna move this circle right here, and you're going to move it to the ones that have 10 fish, and you're going to put it over the tank, okay? That's all you have to do for this one, and I will fix it so that you guys are able to write right here. Oh, you can right there. All right, I'll fix it for you, though, so that whenever you're doing this, it'll be all set. Again, you're making addition number sentences. So you're looking at the tanks. So you would look at this one. You count this side, write it down. You would count this side and write it down. And then you would put how many total, if you count all of the fish, in this box right here, okay? And you would do that for each of them. And then you're going to take the circle that's over here, and you're going to circle all of the tanks that have 10 fish in them. Don't circle any of the tanks that do not have 10, only the ones that have 10, okay? All right. You're going to listen to the story, and you should really know the story now of 'Twas the Night Before Thanksgiving, okay? And then you are going to answer this. It says, in the story, students save the turkeys from becoming Thanksgiving dinner. What do you think we should eat on Thanksgiving instead of turkey? I'm excited for this answer, okay? Be creative. What do you think we should eat on Thanksgiving instead of turkey? And for those of you that don't like turkey, this answer should be really easy for you. Okay. In the story, the students save the turkey from becoming Thanksgiving dinner. What do you think we should eat on Thanksgiving instead of turkey? So right here, it kind of breaks it down for you. So I'm actually going to move these right now as I'm talking to you guys so that this slide comes before this one. So then what you can do is you can actually copy all of this and then put it in your next slide. So this is kind of your outline of filling it in. And then this right here is you're actually writing the story, kind of like what we do in Writer's Workshop, okay? So you're going to type it in here. It says, on Thanksgiving, I think we should eat, you're going to fill in the blank, instead of turkey. I think this would be better because, you're going to tell me why you think it would be better. You're going to type it on this line. Blank is the perfect Thanksgiving dinner. So after you've typed all that, you can copy it and then put it in this box right here so it's a beautiful paragraph, okay? All right. And then you're going to actually click right here and you're going to do your Scholastic News. Again, you should have had a handout in your book bag and you're going to do your Scholastic News. You can actually click on this link and it can read to you. You can circle all the sight words that you know, and then you're going to answer your questions, okay? And then getting on Google Classroom, working on your sight words. And then if you would like to get on BookFlix and ABC, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on Monday if you're Group A, and I will see you on Tuesday if you're Group B. Bye!